watching Rick's Garage Mayhem. We're on our way to a Sugarloaf, PA car show today. It's supposed to be a pretty big one. I'm taking Casino along. So stay tuned. We'll try to get you some real good footage. Thank you. Just pulling in now. Looks like that's a 56 Chevy for sure. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good turnout. I believe that one up in the front there, I think that might be a 55. That's unique. I'm not sure what it is. It's a Chevy. There's already quite a few vehicles here. There's a nice old pickup that looks like it's 75.